In this lecture, we're going to be talking about the Catholic social theme of economic justice. First of all, some of the basics of economic justice. The idea that the economy must serve the people, not the other way around. We're not here to serve some economic overlord or some faceless economic system. The economic system must be there to serve people. All workers have a right to productive work, a living wage, safe working conditions, the ability to organize and unionize, and to economic initiative. Also, private property. These are some of the basics that are the foundation for economic justice. If any of these things are missing, any of these worker rights are not there, then the justice of an economic system is in question. Rights to private property are conditional. No one has the right to amass great wealth while others lack basic necessities. That's another basic idea that undergirds the Catholic social thought understanding of economic justice. Economic justice, the Catholic Church claims they have a balanced approach to this idea of economic justice. Catholic social theory rejects a collectivist and statist solution to the problem of distributing the goods of society, but it also rejects the notion that a free market can or will automatically produce a just and equitable result. Markets and government need to serve as balancing counterforces in a society in order to achieve greater distributive justice in the economic system. Over the centuries, there has been this controversy between labor and capital. Which one gets preferential treatment within a society? And in Catholic social theory, the teaching is clear that labor has priority over capital because labor is the efficient cause of production, while capital is only the instrumental cause. Because the economy serves the person, then it follows that sometimes the means of production may have to be socialized in order to achieve justice. It is right to struggle against an unjust economic system that does not uphold the priority of the human person over capital. Markets. Finally, getting to this idea of markets and how they function within an economy and how economic justice must regulate and bring a moral vision to the markets within a society. There are needs and common goods that cannot be satisfied by the market system, according to Catholic social theory. An idolatry of the market alone cannot do all that should be done. And here's a quote from the encyclical Populorum Progressio by Paul VI. Individual initiative alone and the mere free play of competition could never assure successful development. One must avoid the risk of increasing still more the wealth of the rich and the dominion of the strong, whilst leaving the poor in their misery and adding to the servitude of the oppressed. That's our basic primer on the Catholic social theory's version of economic justice.